Hello, hello, hello. Today we're going to Somalia. My name is Marty DeGarmo. I've been online 20 years. I've been in every shiny object you could imagine. I got sick and tired of only 1 or 2% being able to succeed. And thank God I found this company, or this company found me 6 years ago this month. The CEO from the very inception of the company uh, was designed so that anyone, anywhere can succeed. It's not get rich quick, but they have the tools and the things you need to build a business online. For me, this is the first time I've seen it in 20 years, and I've been doing this full time. And I can build teams. And the problem was you couldn't bring anybody with you. About 1 or 2% succeed. This company, you do the right thing, you have the tools, everyone can succeed. So that's why I'm here. Now, I go to each country and break down what it would be like to use the income compared to commissions. Now, I want to say this every time I come on. All these numbers are hypothetical, what I'm using for product price and commissions. I do know that the company is very generous. I do know that very soon we're going to launch to the world. And I wanted to give some kind of step-by-step thing that people could do from each part of the world. We have people, I believe, in every country in the world already. It was drawn together by heart. And like I said, we probably have close to 1 million people waiting for the launch everywhere in the world. Beautiful. And why? Same reason I just said. It's a company for the first time it's designed for everyone to win. Now, the products they have will be in high demand. They're not some newfangled product that nobody knows what it is. Example, like video conferencing. We all know what that is. They'll have some stuff like that. It will all be AI. It was all built from the bottom up. It was built so that it's user friendly, yet has many, many functions. It is AI. Anyone can do it. Anyone can use it. And they didn't reinvent the wheel. They just made a better wheel. It will be above market value. You can compare it to anyone you want. It'll be high demand, which is beautiful. In other words, you're not trying to sell something people don't want. You just offer it. They don't want it? Okay, move on. But I guarantee if you share something with somebody and they're using it already, and this is bigger, better, you get more for the bang, and you can make a commission, watch out. Anyway, in this scenario, I'm using a hypothetical. Let's say product A is $100 and the company pays 25% commission. That means on every sale, you would make $25. Pretty simple. Again, this is hypothetical, but I want people to look at, I, I don't want to talk about getting a private jet and traveling the seven seas. Let's start off with helping, uplifting humanity around the world step by step. This is the company's desire to uplift humanity. So let me give you an example. Same commission I would get if someone in Somalia is in the company, they get the same commission. So let's look at what we have. I'm going to do some comparisons. Somalia average income is 259,016 SOS. That's Somalian money, okay? And then it's yearly would be 3,108,192 SOS. Okay? The currency is Somalian shillings, to make that clear. These are shillings. Now, I had to uh, relate it to what I'd understand, so I give an equivalency of US dollar. So, Somalia average is making $453 a month. Yes, in 2025. That is amazing. Hold on one second. Okay, I had to pause it for a minute. So they make 453 US dollars a month, $5,435 a year. And if you compare it to the hypothetical sell of a $100 product, let's say it's video conferencing. If they sold 18.12 sales a month, they would match their income. Let me show you. 18.12 times 25 equals $453, $453. 18 sales would double their income, what they're making, and double it. And that would be awesome. And a year, same thing, 217.44 times 25, 5,436, 5,436. Boom. I don't believe in hype. I don't want hype. Is this possible? Yes. More than this is possible. It's unlimited income, many, many streams of income. Why? We have new products every month in high demand. Some of the products are multi-billion-dollar industries by themselves. This company's been in the works behind the scenes for 7 years. They're building a massive foundation because they want it to last. And the motto of the thing is, fill your pockets, take care of you, your family, and then together let's uplift humanity. Okay, instead of going on the news hearing about Somalia, let's hear what the facts are. Cool stuff. Their top products produced in Somalia, livestock, camels, cattle, sheep, goats. They sell bananas, sorghum, corn, fish, charcoal, frankincense, and myrrh. Top exports, livestock, bananas, fish, charcoal, scrap metal, frankincense, and myrrh. Here's some interesting facts. Somalia has the longest coastline on the mainland Africa, stretching 3,025 kilometers. It is one of the world's largest producers of frankincense and myrrh. That's pretty cool. The country is home to Las Guias, a complex of caves containing some of the earliest known rock art in Africa. Somalia's population is predominantly young, with over 70% under the age of 35. Wow. The rest of this is for YouTube for me. Just want to let you know, this is explaining to people in Somalia, we have a company, you have a vehicle, it's not get rich quick. The numbers I gave you are hypothetical, but man, let's start uplifting humanity. If anybody's, by the way, at the end of this, there'll be a 3-minute video that explains our company, my opinion of what it is and what it's about. It's only in 3 minutes, but it's enough to say, you know what? I want to get on a list and find out. And if you get on the list, as soon as it's launched to the world, you'll be first to be notified. And you can check it out for free. No pressure. I don't believe in pressure. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye.
For too long, we've seen people chase online business dreams that end in disappointment. Multi-level marketing, MLM, a system where 99% lose money. Drop shipping, thin margins and supplier issues, affiliate marketing, takes forever to see real results, and most people quit before they even start earning. Email marketing, struggles with spam and low engagement. The truth is, these business models promise freedom, but often deliver frustration. They demand too much time, too much money, and too many skills to succeed. And let's face it, most of them are designed to benefit those at the top, while everyone else struggles to stay afloat. Until now. What if there was a new company? Not just any company, an AI-powered high-tech company with a mission to uplift humanity. A company built with heart, aiming to be the correction to corruption that we've all been waiting for. Imagine a place where anyone in the world can succeed. No special skills required. No need to be a marketing expert, a coder, or a tech genius. Just bring your desire to make a difference, and this company will empower you with cutting-edge AI-induced products in high demand that practically sell themselves. But here's the twist. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-right opportunity. A chance to fill your pockets by offering real value to the world. And when you've taken care of yourself and your family, you can start blessing others. Imagine earning unlimited commissions from products that are above market value because they're simply worth more. Products designed to solve real problems, make lives easier, and create better futures, all backed by AI innovation. Picture this, an AI company with heart that rewards honesty, hard work, and compassion. A business built to break free from the greed and corruption of the past. This isn't just about making money. It's about changing lives and creating a ripple effect of good. What if you could be part of that? Part of a movement where, once you've secured your future, your success becomes a blessing for others. Where your efforts uplift communities, create opportunities for those in need, and help build a better world, one empowered person at a time. It's not just business, it's humanity, powered by AI. This global business is launching to the world very soon. If you would like to be notified when we launch to the world, send an email to iwantonthelisttoday@gmail.com. We've put me on the list in the